Okay.
Father, why do you have makeup?
Because I don't want to put fingerprints on it. Okay, so a little bit of an introduction here. This is a brand new chalice and paten from Poland, from a company called Liturgical Vestments, very creative. And this was made possible by a generous gift from the estate of Marie Wurnig, and through her daughter, Marty Hanson. Come and say hello, Marty.
Hello.
So we're going to unbox it now and have our first look at this chalice. I got a call from Customs yesterday to give them our ID number, our federal tax ID number, so that they can know for sure that it's going to a church. All right, would you like to do the first incision?
You do.
No, you do the first incision. Right across the top here.
You think that? There you go.
Okay. Oh, this is like a Russian doll. Nesting doll.
Let's hope not.
Okay. And of course, the cat is very fascinated. Oh, I should mention that behind the camera is our intrepid parish secretary, Kim Wilkins, and so she does not want to be on camera. Neither did Marty, for that matter. But you know, if I have to be on camera, then everybody does.
You could have forgotten it altogether.
No, this is important. This is a historic moment in our parish, and I don't want to forget it. All right. I see there's another box in here, so this just gets more and more exciting. All right. Catalog. All right, hold the box in there. Okay. Ooh, a beautiful Paul with an image of St. John Paul II on it.
Wow.
They told me they were going to send a little gift with it because they had to remake it. So this must be our gift. That's beautiful.
That's beautiful.
All right, I'm going to put on the white gloves so we do not put fingerprints on it right off the bat. I mean, eventually that's going to happen, but why do it right now, you know? Okay, open up the latches, Marty. All right. Oh my goodness. I can see it. Ooh, okay. Already wrapped There we are. Come a little closer here.
Beautiful.
That is beautiful. Wow. So a little description we have starting from, where is it now? Oh, here we go. Starting from the cross, which always indicates the side that faces the celebrant. We have the Immaculate Heart of our Blessed Mother. We have the Sacred Heart of Jesus. And we have Saint Joseph and the Child Jesus. And then up at on the cup we have little cherubim, and the grapevine design. And in the node we have an inscription that says, "Hic est filius meus dilectus." Hic est filius meus dilectus, which means, this is my beloved son. So this is our new chalice in loving memory of Marie Wurnig and George, Marie and George Wurnig.